Hey everybody! One final thing we have to do before we publish our app in the store. We said we added services in our application, and the services could get any update on user location. So when anyone asks to update user location, it will send the user logged, longitude, and last update to the Firebase. That's mean here is Hussein. If someone change update of Hussein listen to his updates, he will send his location directory to this place. So we have updated location for Hussein, so we could read it. So now here when we have the map, so when we click to see user on the map here in the map in the main activity, when we click on it, it is better to load to do update for the user. So it's better to call global dot we did update for user update info or update info for who, for the adapter item dot phone number. That's mean when you click on any user to see its location, this method will call it and send notification, hey, oh please send your location to the server, so we could listen to it. That's great. This problem is fixed. One last thing, this one is not preferred to add it here, it's better to add it here. So it's better added here, public void on resume. So because it's not good to add it in the location, so it's better to add it on resume, so whenever someone resume the phone, it will update the location or to refresh the location again. So also, yes, this is I'm sure it should be the same. This is the real name, so it is already overwritten. So make sure, yes, everything is cool. So yes, here now everything is cool, convenient. We don't have any problem. So if you try to run the application for both devices and see what is going on. And also, before I do anything, I will remove my data in the database, so we start from zero and see what will do, what our update will do. So this is first phone, and hopefully this will be the second phone. Here we go. Now two devices working. If I want to allow this one, I will give it a specific phone number. I will say this one will be 33232324. Save, login, see I get a new user with update. If I do same thing for this one, I'll say hello, I give it 585957272 and I click next. If this one I click for adding, try to add some people to track, he say okay, I want to allow to Bicky to track me, for example. And this one he open his app, so he done this one, so that he open the main page. He doesn't have anyone to track. I want to allow this phone to track this phone. So this phone have to open, allow, and select Hussein, for example. See Hussein. Here we go. See, now I'm here in the main page, but here I'm still in this page. So make sure to click here to go to be in same page, both in main. Now I want to update a GPS, so I would give it specific location and you give it 71, 72, for example, and click send. Just give location for this person. I would do same thing for this one. I will give it 77 and I click send to give location. Now I'm done. So I want to ask for Bicky location. So what will happen? See, first of all, I sent update. I updated Bicky value. Then Bicky answer me by his location. So what the operation that happened in the system? So first of all, I send it here. If I go down here in the menu, so you could understand, in the main activity, when I click it, I updated the that updates for Bicky. So update this value for Bicky. Bicky already have a service that running in background. This service that listen, hey, I have updated my data. He will send this location, and you will see the update here. So you see first update here, then first update here. Now I'm already reading this one in my app, in my map view. Already I'm reading this one for location, so I view it in the map. So yes, here we done, and thank you for watching. I hope this video was amazing for you.